Let me teach you how to make this yummy Korean salmon with gochujang, and I've got some avocados and toasted sesame seeds, and I'm so excited. Hello. Today we're going to make gochujang salmon. Follow with me how we make this quick and easy one. I don't know why they don't remove the scales of the salmon. Bought this from Waitrose, and it's really important to scale it because there's a lot of goodness in the skin that you should eat. Don't you agree? We're going to make gochujang salmon, so stay with me. It's very simple, it's very quick, and we're going to make this in the air fryer. Let's open this and see the gochujang. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of gochujang, actually 2 is too much, but just under 2 tablespoons of gochujang. And then we're going to add a little bit of water, not too much. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of Japanese Mirin to give it sweetness. If you don't have Mirin, you could use honey or a couple of tablespoons of sugar. So all that would work. 1, 2. Give that a quick and good mix, and that's it. We're just going to put more sweetness, some honey, gochujang, honey, and a couple of tablespoons of mirin, and that is what it looks like. Let's marinate the fish. And this marinade can be used for chicken, fish, pork, whatever meats you have. So I'm making the salmon this afternoon, and for dinner it's going to be chicken. 260 grams of salmon. We're just going to top this mixture onto the salmon. It's going to be so yum. And then we'll just put it in the air fryer at 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you marinate it well. 185 degrees, that's fine. Look at how beautiful that looks raw. It's delicious. So I'm just going to use a bit of spray oil. If you don't have spray oil, just making sure it's got a bit of oil so it's nice. You can, if you have sesame oil, that's the better oil to put in it. I don't have sesame oil, so I'm just spraying it with some olive oil. Check it out in 8 minutes. Come back to it in 8 minutes. Just going to toast some sesame seeds to the top. So, then we're just going to chop some onions, or spring onions as they call it. They look so beautiful and taste so yummy. And now let me show you what it looks like in the air fryer. And finally, I get to eat this yummy salmon. Look at how it cuts. I don't know whether you can see it properly, but that was just over 10 minutes. perfectly cooked, healthy, nutritious, yummy Korean gochujang salmon. Follow my recipe on here.